I just want to comment this morning that I can't even hardly sit outside and have the sun pointing on my body because after about 5 minutes, I literally feel like I'm cooking. And yeah, I know your skin gets hot underneath the sun, but not like it's getting this morning. It's ridiculous to the point that I'm either going to have to hang up something out here and block the sun or just go inside. Like, what the heck, man? It literally feels like it's cooking off the bone. Okay, anyhow, I just wanted to put that out there and see if anybody else is having that issue today. It's October 9th, 2024.